Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So I'm looking at these two super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 3200 with LatteGo and the Jura Z6. Both look pretty fancy, huh?
Yeah, definitely in the same ballpark. But there are some key differences. The Philips, being a renewed model, is probably going to be easier on the wallet.
True. And it seems like the Philips is all about ease of use. It boasts about cleaning the LatteGo system in like 15 seconds.
That, pie-in appealing. The Jura Z6 seems more focused on the coffee itself. It mentions a pulse extraction process for better espresso. Sounds a bit more high-tech, right?
For sure. Plus, the Philips has 12-step grinder settings, while the Jura doesn't specify, which is odd. The Philips also claims 20,000 cups before the grinder gives out.
Good point. The Jura does have videos highlighting its features, and customers seem to love the milk frothing. But the Philips has a better rating, 4.1 versus Jura's 3.1.
Oh yeah, I see that. That's a big difference. People seem to be complaining about the Jura's water filter needing constant replacements and the hidden RFI tag. That sounds annoying.
And the Philips mentions brewing up to 5,000 cups before descaling, which is a plus. The Jura only talks about using their products for maintenance.
The Philips is also significantly lighter at 0.01 ounces, compared to the Jura's 26 pounds. I wonder if that impacts the build quality. The Philips dimensions are 17 by 10 by 15, while the Jura is 17.7 x 12.6 x 14.8, so not too different in size.
Yeah. The Jura being heavier is probably a sign of more robust construction. The Z6 also has a larger water tank capacity at 81 ounces compared to the Philips. I can't find that spec for the Philips.
Okay, so Philips is easier to clean, probably cheaper, has more grinder options, and a better rating.
While the Jura seems more focused on the perfect espresso, might be more robust, has videos showing features, and a larger water tank. It's a trade-off between convenience and maybe a slightly better cup of coffee, assuming that pulse extraction process lives up to the hype.
I think I'm leaning towards the Philips. Easy cleaning and better rating are big wins for me, plus I'm not that much of a coffee snob. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.